Welcome to GoAmazing Content Management System Tutorials. I'm Mike, and let's learn how to create your first course, all right? Go ahead and sign in, and you'll see new course on the top right. If there's no courses created yet, you'll see create a new course kind of in the middle of the screen right here. So let's go ahead and click new course, and we can make the name of our course GoAmazing 111. Sounds good. These ones cannot have spaces. This is going to be part of your URL. So test, organization, course number, course run. Let's see, test 2020, and click create. There you have it. You're ready to start creating content. And that's it. Thank you for using GoAmazing, and have a great day.